Slaugharayan. Most of you know me as an English teacher, but I also have experience as a leadership trainer. In this field of leadership development, one of the things I've seen is that many leaders, teachers, and others who communicate publicly don't have an effective formula for how to create and structure their lectures, speeches, articles, or videos. 15 years ago, I learned a powerful formula for how to do this, and I've been using it ever since. I recently made an online course for those in the US who want to become more effective public communicators. In this pre-recorded course, I train participants in this communication formula and help them structure their content in powerful ways that connects with their audience's minds, emotions, and actions. I'm mentioning this course here on my Mamusta Andy profile because if your English is at an advanced high or superior level, then this course might be beneficial for you, especially if you are a leader, a teacher, a presenter, a writer, or a video creator. This course takes about 90 minutes to complete and the cost is $35 US. Even though I designed this course for native English speakers, I would be excited if it could also serve many of my Kurdish friends in their professional development. If you are interested, click the link in my bio and go to the course called In the Footsteps of Masters, a timeless formula for impactful content delivery.